Hey, Misa with OCDetailing here, and we just finished this Model X in ULTRAFIT's XP Phoenix Red. You guys know and love it, you're familiar with it, and here it is. Yeah, it actually looks really, really great, not a surprise, but I think the angle that Alex is filming at right now, you can kind of see the color shifting pattern in action. So it's really bright over here, we've got that really nice, beautiful, bright red, and then over in the shade here, we have almost like a deep purple or a deep wine toned red. So yeah, super cool to see the color shifting in action. We did this for our customer Max, and of course it also got the full ceramic coating. We did that on all panels of the vehicle and everything. And then we also did some window tint on this. We did 40% on the front two sides, and then we did 70% on the rear two sides. So we put that 70% on top of that privacy glass that comes from the factory. And we like to do that just that he will also get the heat rejection for anybody sitting in the rear seats. So yeah, really excited with how this turned out, and the customer is on his way and we can't wait to see his reaction.